Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tech news. Today, we've got some exciting news to share with you all. Google has launched a new AI-powered tool that could revolutionize the way we search the web. It's called Bard, and it's Google's answer to OpenAI's chat and Microsoft's Bing Chat. Bard is an innovative new search tool that's designed to help users brainstorm and answer queries. Unlike Bing Chat, which looks up search results, Bard generates all the information itself. This means that Bard is not just another search engine, it's an AI-powered assistant that can help you find the information you need quickly and easily. Google has big plans for Bard. They want it to become an integral part of the Google search experience. With Bard, users will be able to get personalized results that are tailored to their specific needs. This means that you won't have to sift through pages and pages of search results to find what you're looking for. What do you think about Bard, Google's new AI-powered search tool? Do you think it has what it takes to revolutionize the way we search the web? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech news.